Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis, and I'm still going to be tracking it because we have a very interesting setup now headed into the weekend. And this setup revolves all around this red line, which for those of you that have watched the past videos should look familiar, but that red line there representing the resistance at $10.15. And you can see that once again today, generally speaking, that was just a problem point. I mean, there were times where the price was able to push above 10.15. Problem was the price couldn't actually stay above it. And then there were other times where the price just flat out got rejected by it, including this afternoon where the price approached it, but could never quite push through. So the moral of the story is this: a whole lot of people have noticed $10.15. And when a whole lot of people have noticed the same level and are going to be wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what's going on here. So none of this is guaranteed to happen. My core point here is that it's a more than valid and rational thought that if the price works its way up and can get a good, nice volume break of the 10.15 mark, that could very well, create a whole lot of upside buying pressure. So definitely continue to watch that going forward from the resistance side of things. In the event the price can actually push up through that level, next key level from the resistance side of things would then be up there right around $10.50. As far as levels of support are concerned, in the very near term after today, formulated a nice one right there around $9.80. But the more important one from the overarching standpoint, going to be down here right around $9.70. So all in all, interesting day, very interesting pattern. All eyes going to be on that 10.15 mark going into next week. So let's see if the price can eventually get the break through it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.